everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, we will be making these fun and festive earrings for the upcoming holiday season. You will need some head pins, eye pins, some beads, and I will be featuring these bead caps. And then of course your earring wires, and I will be using a soft flex in silver. So I went ahead and started on these here, and I put these little fuchsia magenta colored beads. Magenta is the Pantone color of the year for 2023. And I put those on head pins, and I used my one-step looper in 1.5 millimeter to make a wrapped loop, and then I'll show you how to build the rest of the earring. So we're going to take one of our eye pins and just open up the bottom loop. And if you want, you can do a wrapped loop and do like a couple twists on it and give it more texture to the piece. I just like to use the one-step looper. It tends to build the earring or the necklace that you're working on a little bit faster with consistent loops. So we just want to make sure that our little dangles are completely closed on that bottom loop. It means when you have a lot of the little dangles on there, you might want to add a little jump ring. They don't go everywhere. So if you want, you can also make an asymmetrical pair of earrings and have the yellow bead on top, but I'm going to make mine symmetrical. So you're going to slide on your bead frame, slide on the yellow bead. You'll hear like a little pop that it goes in. This part can be a little tricky. You just have to guide it through the top part of your wire. Then we're going to grab our one-step looper. Go ahead and give it a squeeze. And then when you release, you'll have the perfect wrapped loop. And it might be a little open, so we can just go ahead and close it and make sure it is connected. We're going to take our second eye pin and just gently pull that loop apart on the bottom and connect it to the little component we just made. Make sure that's nice and closed. And then we're going to put on our another bead cap on top with this little 6x6 color bead here. And then we're just going to slide it through and put it through our one-step looper and give it a squeeze. Make sure our loop is closed. So we have our little earring here. We're going to pick up our ear wire. And we're going to slide it through. And we'll just give it a close. Just like that, we have made earrings for fun and festive for the upcoming holiday season. Stay tuned for more tutorials and unboxings on my channel. Have a wonderful day.